holographic, and my hair is a mess. We're in level 4 lockdown here in Auckland, New Zealand, so I think I need some more colour to just lift my spirits and brighten up my day. So let's do this. Okay, first we need to get all of these knots out. I wish I had like big full hair. Just really don't have enough of it. Look at it. That's it. Look at that. That's one side and that's the other side. Just, where is it? It's really disappointing. I really wish that, you wouldn't always like see my scalp and blah. I think that's why I like the colours, because it just makes me feel like, oh yeah, my hair is so cool. Yeah, don't judge. Don't judge. You do you, man. If you want colourful hair, just do it. It's here. Now, we need to section it. Dude. All of my clips are at my parents' house, which is hours away. So, hair ties it is. Yes. So fun. So cute. And we're done. This is a really nice, formal hairstyle. Wear it to your, next prom or something. Gorgeous. Ow! Okay, I think I've decided on what colours I'm going to use. I am going to use this crazy colour bubblegum blue. And I think I'm going to do like a mix of this Rebel UV and peachy coral. Just because I can. All of my rainbow colours are at my parents' house. Like, it seems like everything cool is there. So I'm just kind of mixing in the Rebel UV and the peachy coral to kind of get a pink that I want. This is a hair colour bowl. Feta and spinach hummus. Yeah, delicious. And, it does say that I'm meant to shampoo my hair and then towel dry it, but I can't be bothered, to be honest. So what I usually do is, I could stir this, but I'm not going to. I like that. Do I like that? I will section out my hair, and then before I apply the colour, I will get a comb and I'll just wet that section. That's what I tend to do, because I don't like getting into the shower and then getting out of the shower, doing my hair, waiting around cold, and then getting back in. I really can't be bothered. Coolness. Cool. I quite like the look of that. Yummy. Eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Please don't eat. Please don't eat any chemicals, any, hair or beauty products. Just don't. Okay, now let's do another bit. It is always important for you to have a plan. Otherwise you just end up just chucking random bits in. I mean, you might want to do that, and that's totally cool, but I think it's really important for you to have a plan so that you know exactly what you're going to do, and and hopefully you'll achieve the result that you desire. I mean, sometimes it's a surprise, and it's surprisingly good and it's surprisingly bad, but if you're like me and use a lot of crazy colours, or up any brand, it's wash out. It'll wash out, and if not, do a bleach bath and then start from scratch. Cool. Alright, let's go for it. Okay, so I've got that first bit flipped over. Then I'm going to section a bit here, and we start at the bottom. It doesn't make sense to start at the top because it just gets in the way. I don't have a hair clip right now. Oh, yes, one random bobby pin, so I'm just going to clip these little darlings over here, and I am going to do the blue. Is this too much blue? I'm going to do pink and then blue on the ends. I've just changed my mind, and that's okay, even if you've got a plan, as long as you're happy. So I've got my comb, and I'm going to wet this section. Okay, I don't wear gloves. You should wear gloves. Okay, just saying, you should wear gloves. I don't, because I have really tiny hands, and I know you can probably get small gloves, but I just find it easier. I do also have some tinting brushes. I think they're at my parents' place too. My hairdryer as well. Super annoying, but oh well. I'm gonna do pink till about halfway, and then I'm going to rinse my hands, and so then I'm gonna get my blue. Wow, look at the colour in there. It kind of looks like a purple shampoo almost. It's kind of scary. Oh my gosh, sorry, my throat is super croaky. And yeah, putting it on the bottom, and then I'm just gonna kind of blend it up in the middle. So it's gonna be like a pink, purple, blue. Voila, I'm gonna do that on the second layer as well. What should I do? Blue, pink? Decisions. It's a hard life, you know, you got to make decisions like this. Yeah, I'm gonna do pink, blue. They'll just keep it consistent, and I'll just do the top layer pink. I'm glad that we have that out of the way. Alright, so on to the next. Already, I'm making mistakes. Too flustered, just so excited to be making a video for YouTube. To be honest, this is not my first attempt at filming something, but for some reason, every single time I go to do a video, I shoot it the wrong way. I do it in portrait mode. I think because we're always, you know, looking at our phone in portrait mode, and we're talking on the phone with FaceTime or whatever in portrait mode, and then I just automatically have it that way, and it's super frustrating. I might still look to edit it and put it together. Okay, halfway down. Yeah, and I'm totally fine if the blue, you know, gets mixed and it looks a little bit purple, because let's face it, my hair is currently pink anyway, so it's not going to be, you know, pure this or this, I don't know. Oh, I'm really interested to see how it's going to look, you know. It's so exciting. I love just playing around and doing different looks. I'm so glad that I've got the courage to, because, you know, a lot of people are just too scared to do anything with their hair, and then they just don't. Anyway, have fun. It's your hair, it's your body, and if someone else is like judging you because of it, well, stuff them, you know. Okay, I'm just gonna do that around all of it, and I'm gonna just section out. Yeah, I'm gonna do all of the bottom with this, and I'm just gonna leave the top of all of it and just tie it up so that I can do the pink all at the same time. Okay? Okay, so now your hair kind of looks like this. So we need to wet this and then chuck in pink. It's my fingers this time. I'm gonna mix it in. Wet. Wet. I can chuck my hand in the water now too, because I'm just getting impatient. Always remember to get like, I mean, I've got a bit of regrowth at the moment, but like close to the roots, because sometimes, you know, people kind of forget, like you just end up chucking it on the ends. But let's go over here and smush it on there. Scoop out of the hummus bowl. Always make sure that if you are going to use another kind of container, that you wash it thoroughly. Okay, I think I'm good. Good. Beautiful. Oh, we're done. Actually, before you go get some snacks, clean up your area, because then when you have your shower, you can just get out, get dressed, and get ready, and you don't have to worry about all of the mess. So you're waiting anyway, so you may as well tidy up, clean your bowls, put your hair dye away somewhere safe that, you know, little kitties can't get at it. And then go make your snacks and go watch some YouTube. So this is it. It's nighttime. These lights are quite bright, so I don't know if you're getting the true color, but I like it. It's super fun. Kind of goes with my tattoo, so it looks pretty cool. Yeah, I dig it. Oh, yeah. What do you reckon? Good? Yeah. Oh, well. I'm happy, and that's all that matters. So.